I'm Rebecca Wanjiro. I work with the Food and Agriculture Organization in Kenya. We are actively participating in the Africities, 9th session of the Africities Summit, because we recognize that cities and urban areas is where we need to work on food systems. So our main agenda is to work with cities, especially intermediary cities such as Kisumu, to transform the urban food system, ensuring food security, nutrition security, youth and women empowerment in urban areas. So we recognize that the development agenda, even the UN SDGs 2030 agenda, has placed cities at a very critical role, that there is need to build the resilience of urban cities, cities that are coming up like Kisumu, where the population is growing, food security is also on the rise. So we have, as an organization, actively engaging and partnering with cities, intermediary cities, to transform the urban food system and ensure that we reach the 2030 agenda of ensuring food and nutrition security, leaving no one behind. So we are here today in this forum for this week to participate also as exhibitors with our partners to showcase what we are doing in FAO, working with farmers and the youth to promote sustainable food systems, and also at a policy dialogue level, engaging with partners, political partners, to discuss solutions and solutions that can address urban food challenges in intermediary cities. Thank you.
This program under food systems being advocated by FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, and it is targeting the slum areas of the cities. Like in Kisumu, we are promoting this kind of technologies to promote vegetable growing within the urban setups. So here we have different technologies. We have the container gardens. We also have the conical garden, which we have here. We also have recycled tire gardens that is there. The recycled tires, whereby you can also use them to produce food. So this one we are promoting in the urban setup so that we promote food security within the urban setup within Kisumu, and also source of income. It can also generate income if the food is excess. The reason why we are also promoting this is that we don't want people to eat a lot of chemicals, because as much as they buy this food, they get to eat a lot of chemicals. And this one, if they grow on their backyard, they are very sure of the quality of food that they are producing. Yeah. So this is a program that we have upscaled within Kisumu, Nyalenda, Manyata, Obunga, and even Nyamasaria to promote the food growing. So in this case, we are also involving everybody in food production. Yeah, because it is a kind of an activity that you need to involve everybody. Yeah, so that is what we are doing in Kisumu.